Doing a little controlled burn here. Not sure how well this is showing up. Oh, it's showing up pretty good. I'm burning some more of this slash here, and I'm allowing this side burn here to get a little closer to the greenery over here, and then the next burns will be down here. The reason for it, I want this whole area to get burned, which should kill off a bunch of annual seeds. It should replicate what happens in a regular fire. And once the prairie grass is in here, this will all be burned as well. And the prairie grasses will live right through the fire because they have, like, 6 to 8 foot deep roots. And this annual and weedy stuff is nowhere near like that. Got quite a bit left to go. Well, this I'm going to dice up and stack up for the next burn. But once this is out of my way, I can take down several more trees. I got the Widowmaker diced up, and the burn went pretty good. I got rid of all the grapevine prunings, the tops of, I'm not sure, several trees, and some of that ash is in here. I'm stacking up wood for the house as well. Got the ground nice and charred up, kill some of the annual seeds back. So I just gotta keep putting the ends back into the fire and let this burn for a couple more hours. Then tomorrow I can dice that up. The next fire is going to go right down below this one, but it will have fuel from a few more of these trees. So I'm going to keep working my way through it, but it's going pretty good so far. Let me step back a little bit so that you can see the progress with the next video. I'm right at this sickly looking little red oak right here, and the big trees are back there, and this is what it looks like today towards the end of July 2018. And that'll do it for today. I gotta get to my night job and it's getting late. Hit the subscribe button and click on updates if you want to see the progress here at the Oak Savanna Restoration. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great evening.